35% of your customers are abandoning their cart right now. The reason? Checkout's just taking too long. Typing addresses on mobile? Frustrating. Shipping errors. They happen all the time, and they cost you sales. But what if your customers could skip all of that frustration? Reduce cart abandonment by 35%. Cut shipping errors by 95%. Support over 200 countries. Worldwide. Work seamlessly on both mobile and desktop. Setting up Google Address Autocomplete takes just 2 minutes. Get your free Google API key. Enable the module, configure 3 simple settings, and you're done. That's it. Store owners are already seeing faster checkouts, fewer errors, and more sales immediately. This is a ShopLentor Pro feature. Upgrade today and start converting 35% more customers right away. Visit WooLentor.com to get started. Got questions? We're here to help. Thank you.
To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.